So this problem is just a really complicated, not a really complicated, but definitely a complicated algebraic expression. We're solving for a here. So let's figure out how we can start it off. As soon as I looked at this problem, I saw this 15 over a. It seemed like it belonged over here rather than over here. So I'm gonna start off by subtracting. Let me get this out of the way. Let me subtract 15a on both sides. So we'll subtract 15a here, and that means we have to subtract 15a here as well. So let's rewrite that. It'll be 12x squared plus 4x plus 19 over a minus 15 over a, the 15 over a that I brought to that side. This cancels out, and that will equal 3x squared plus x plus 1. Now, if you're subtracting and you have the same denominator, you just subtract your numerators, right? So over here, all I'm going to be doing is subtracting this 15 to that 19 because those are my like terms. So I'm going to be left with 12x squared plus 4x plus 19. Oops, not plus 19. It'll be 19 minus 15, which will be plus 4 over a, which equals, and that will equal 3x squared plus x plus 1. Now to our next step, let's multiply both sides by a so we can get rid of that a and get everything on one line. Now over here, this cancels out, so that's easy. And let's rewrite that over here. So it'll be 12x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals, now that a is going to get distributed everywhere. So that'll become 3ax squared plus ax plus a. And now let's try to solve for a. I'm not going to go any further here. Something that I see is, see that 3a there? That a there and that a there? That kind of matches up with the 4, the 12, and the 4. So you have the x squared there, the x squared there, the x there, the x there, and really the value of a there and the value of a there, they're the same. So what if a was 4? Kind of look at the answer choices and just get a little bit logical with this. Try to outsmart the problem at this point. That a, if the value of a there is 4, wouldn't that make that whole expression 12? That would make that 4x, and that would make that 4, which would match up with this side. So for that reason, my answer for a is 4. Now there's a couple of different ways of doing this problem. If you did it differently, got to the same answer, that's fine. You could have also used the answer choices, plugged them in, figured it out. But I think this kind of explains a little bit of what the SAT was looking for.